Good afternoon. My name is Parvez Alam. I am doing internship as a Python developer, and I was scrolling on in my Instagram, so that I saw over here that the master in data analyst, so that it is budget friendly. So I choose to enroll it. Then after the enroll in this course, I learned so many things like Python and SQL and many more things like Excel as well. Advanced Excel is available in this, and many formula is available in this Excel file. So that if you want guys to enroll in this session, then it is good and also budget friendly, and also lifetime access video. So if you want, then you can uh, purchase this course, because it has helped me a lot. So I recommend you. Thank you so much.